Welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine if you're new here, and I want to welcome you to my channel. So today I figured I'd update my gluten-free breadcrumbs because it's a staple in my house. We love them, and I wanted to show you the new recipe that I came up with. So if you want to see that, stick around a while. And if you like everything that you're seeing, then hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell that says all, and it'll notify you every time I do a new video. So, I'd love to have you. Okay, so let's start. I shop at Aldi's, and they have crispy rice, toasted rice cereal. It's gluten-free, and I love it. I love it because I use it just as cereal, or I use it as breadcrumb. So, I don't like gluten-free breadcrumbs. Everyone that I've come across, I don't like them. I feel like I'm putting cornmeal on my stuff. So I came across this cereal, and it's like so cheap. It's under $3 for this big box. You get 12 ounces, and it's really good. I mean, you could probably use Rice Krispies, but you know, I'm always at Aldi's, and this is cheaper than Rice Krispies, so I figured why not? Let's try it. Okay, so this is all you're gonna need. A blender. I have my little Ninja. I love this thing. It's like a little, it's amazing. I absolutely love this. Nothing is sponsored. I wish Ninja would sponsor me because this is like my baby in my kitchen. Clear bowl. Let's open this up. We'll start grinding it up. And yep. So let's make some breadcrumbs. So how is everybody doing? You know, getting through this whole time. I know we are. Let's see. I'm gonna take that out. Get some of this in here. Let's take this out of the box. It'll be easier. Okay. And you're just gonna pour it in, grind it up. You know, it's so simple. This is like the easiest breadcrumb recipe that I've ever done. Just want to make sure there's no big chunks in it, you know, and just pour it out. That's it. That's it. It's that simple. All right, I'm gonna grind all this up, and then we'll go forward. Okay, so that's the last of it. Dump it out. That's it. That's the whole box right there. See? It's the whole box. So now we'll start adding the ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to take 5 tablespoons of parsley. One. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to take 3 teaspoons of onion powder. Now I did this measurements with 1 whole box. So this is 1 whole box recipe, and this will do like, I don't know, 4 breasts of chicken cutlets. It's plenty. It is absolutely plenty. I'm gonna take 3 teaspoons of garlic powder. Garlic powder. 2, 3. I know it looks like a lot, but it's not. It's just like the perfect amount. And then 3 teaspoons of salt. Now I don't put grated cheese in mine because we don't, I can't have dairy. So you can if you want. I just add a little bit more salt, and that's why there's more salt in there. So you take that, mix it all around. And it's like the perfect Italian seasoning breadcrumb. A little bit over the side. It's absolutely perfect. So let's taste them. Let's see how they taste. They're so good. There's just enough of everything in there. I'm telling you, you're gonna like this. You should try it. It's like perfect. Absolutely perfect. If you like Italian seasoned breadcrumbs, use this recipe. You'll love it. Gluten-free. Everything that I use, all my seasonings are gluten-free. They're by McCormick, so they're gluten-free, so you have nothing to worry about. And that's it. I mean, this is like the best gluten-free breadcrumbs that I have found. My family all loves it. I use it on chicken cutlets. I use it on shrimp. I use it in my meatballs. It tastes really good in meatballs, so you don't have to worry. I put a little bit in my hamburgers when I'm making homemade hamburgers, 'cause I make everything like homemade. So if you want to see more recipes, give me a thumbs up. Let me know down below if you try it. Let me know how you feel about it. And I'd love to hear from you. So thank you so much for coming by. Bye.